Class 12. Today we are going to start a new chapter, ray optics. Actually, light is not a ray in true sense, but rather it is a wave. But when we approximate the case, means we get the wave behaving like a ray when we are taking the limiting case of wave optics. So in this chapter we shall be talking in terms of light as a ray rather than the actual fact that it is a wave, because to great extent most of the phenomena of light ray can be explained by using the concept light as a ray. So here now we will talk about the interaction of light with a matter. Whenever light ray is incident on any body, say for example in this case we are seeing a glass plate is receiving a light ray falling on it as shown by the incident arrow. Then this light ray will while interaction with the matter suffers three phenomena simultaneously. These are namely reflection, absorption and transmission of the light. Here in the diagram you see the light ray is falling on the glass, and some part of the light ray is being reflected back to the same medium from which it has come. That means from air it has come and it is returning back to air, while some of the part is some of the part of energy of light ray is being absorbed by the glass, and then the remaining part is being refracted through the glass. Now you can very well understand that in glass panes the light ray are quite efficiently refracted, means can be transmitted through the glass. In some material it might not be transmitted equally with same magnitude, but transmission is always there. For that you can take the case of a piece of paper. When you have so many pages placed together and you put a light from torch across the paper, no light is seen on the other side of the page. But when you reduce it to one page or two pages, you see that when light ray is incident on one face of the paper, light can be seen on the other side of the paper. So this is how we can understand that transmission is always taking place. Whether it is less, whether it is more, depends upon the medium. Thank you and have a nice day.